What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here, and we are in preparation mode for Town Lake Cars and Coffee tomorrow. We got the boy Alan detailing the car, and we're gonna check out these nice little detailing supplies that Commercial Auto Care sent me on Instagram. Check them out. They hooked it up, and if you ever need any like wax or anything like that, they got it all for you. But Alan over here is gonna wash my car for me, because I mean, let's be honest, I'm not gonna be doing it. So Alan, what Instagram do you want him to follow?
Let's have him follow my personal account, Alan SV16. That's ALAN SV16.
Alan SV16. I'll put it on the screen. Hit him up for any detailing needs. He does a mighty fine job, and he has everything you need. And he was like getting like at an actual company detailing for 2 or so years, so he has the experience to back it up. But without further ado, let's get the vet looking good, and let's get on to Cars and Coffee Town Lake. All right, guys, it's now the next day. It was time to get to Cars and Coffee. Surprise, surprise, I'm a little bit late. It's 8:45 right now. The show started at 8, but good thing on a vet, so it'll only take like 5 minutes to get there. Let's get to it. Not sure if y'all can hear this, guys, but I found a brother, but he's came. Hey, there he is. All right, we are here, and it looks like it's popping. Alright, guys, we've made it to Town Lake Cars and Coffee. Finally, I am very late, but we got the vet here, and she's looking pretty thanks to Commercial Auto Care. And let's get on to the meet. There's some cool cars I saw rolling in, so let's check them out. Check out the Kid Aventador SV. That's awesome. We got the Sneaky Snake, the Heads Cam Viper. That's really freaky fast for whatever reason. Maybe it's driver mod, I don't know, but he's really fast. The cammed Chevy SS from NSFR. I've seen him at plenty of things. Check out the color on this GTR. This is sick. This like dark burgundy red with the big old wing back here. Yes, sir. Supercharged Z06 on HREs, Z06 on carbon fiber wheels. That's nice. That's really clean. Alpha 9 matte black GTR. Another new GTR with a big old wing back there. We got the diesel Mercedes out here. We got the 4GT Performante, really nice spec Performante at that. Another AMG. And then old Porsche. Let's look at the interior. This is crazy. Like the teal and top, the diamond stitching interior. This is really clean. Woo. It's cammed and everything. Sounds bueno. Ah, yeah, pops and crackles. I like it. Check out this wide body Mercedes. This is cool. Look at this, these wide fenders back here. This is really sick. Oh, nitrous wide body Mercedes. To the GTRs, more AMGs. A Huracan with a big wing. Pretty sure this car is like ridiculously loud. I like the wing. I like the wing. It looks good. All right, he said, want to hear it after I said it's ridiculous. Ah, yes, there we go. Listen to that. Sounds good. What exhaust do you have on it?
It's a straight pipe.
It's straight pipe. Straight pipe Huracan. There, my suspicions have been confirmed.
I got it from...
We got the 488, Juguete, the license plate, Toy in Spanish. And then the Acura NSX, who also has a YouTube channel. That's super, super nice. It's like mint. Right, onto a few more supercars before we go watch people start leaving. You got the R8, the GT3, 488 Pista, and the .2 GT3 RS. And then a Huracan and a 570 Spider. Now this Ford GT right here is Whipple supercharged. Pretty sure this car makes well over 1,000 horsepower here. He did have a set of welds on it, complete with like the front runner setup and all, which I'm pretty sure is the only Ford GT on a set of welds, which is kind of cool, aside from maybe the M2K one. But fast. This dude has massive tires on the back of this. Can't really see them, but they are some fat tires. Yes, sir. I just missed it. Oh no, I just missed it. No, he's the Hennessey Grand Sport. No. I can't believe I just missed that. Oh no.
Hey, it doesn't even look messed up.
Good as new. Yeah, there's no marks. I can't believe I missed that. It's Rally Jag. It's Sneaky Snake. I like it.
It is.
Bye.